Hi everyone, my name is Jasmine.
I'm Dana.
And today we are going to be showing you how to make a DIY charcoal body scrub.
That sounds excellent.
I'm excited.
So what you'll need is 1 cup of Epsom salts. Just dump that in. And then you'll need 2 tablespoons of activated charcoal. And activated charcoal, I'm sure as you all know by now, it is very good for drawing out impurities in your skin and detoxifying. And then you'll also need a carrier oil. We are using hemp seed oil for this one. And the reason we're using hemp seed oil is because it's very good for your skin. It's really great for people who have like skin problems like acne or eczema. And you'll need about 3 dropperfuls.
Cool. I love that hemp seed oil is green.
Yes, it has a really pretty color.
So you're just gonna mix it all up.
Yeah. And it'll look a little chunky, and if it looks too dry, you can also add more until you get it to the consistency that you want. Like if you want it more of a dry scrub, you can leave it. If you want it more of like a pasty type scrub, you can add a little more, which is what I'm gonna do.
Yeah, I like it when it's like a little bit pasty type of scrub because it sticks to your skin better.
Yeah.
So that you can really like rub it in to get the exfoliation factor of it all.
I love the color that it turns. It's really pretty.
It's really pretty. And if you want, you can also add an essential oil of your choice.
Absolutely.
Yeah. We're going scent-free today for our scent-free lovers.
But some good ones would be maybe patchouli if you like earthy, or frankincense, or if you like more floral, probably geranium would be a really good one.
Ooh, yeah.
It's very like balancing for your skin, so that'd be a good one. All right, so you can see it's really dark, very beautiful color. I love that.
I love it.
And then you can just use it right away, or you can package it in an airtight container and give it to a friend, or keep it for yourself for later.
Cool. I love it. I love the color.
I love that color.
So let us know if you guys tried to make this on your own, or if you have your own kind of exfoliating body scrub recipe that you think we should try.
Yeah, we'd love to hear
We'd love to hear it. Or try it.
Yeah, or try it.
Yeah, we'd love to try it. So as always, we appreciate you guys for watching, and until next time, have a great day.
Bye.